Today I am talking about stretches that you can do on the foam roller that's going to improve your posture, open up the chest, and help you to make corrections in the spine. And we're going to be doing that right now. Welcome back, friends, and if this is your first time, my name is Ashley Osier and I'm the posture specialist. If you would like to improve your posture, decrease pain, and enhance your overall wellness, make sure to subscribe and click the bell so that you don't miss anything. Many of you already have a foam roller, or you have used a foam roller in physical therapy or in a stretching class. Many of you have probably even used the foam roller to work out knots in your muscles. However you're using it, today we are looking at doing some stretches, and I'm really excited to show you the stretches that I've come up with that really make a difference on the tightness, the holding, and the contractions, the dysfunctions, the postural discrepancies that a lot of people have. Make sure that you get a green light from your doctor so that you are making the wisest choice about which stretches and exercises are going to be good for your body. I will have both verbal and visual cues for the following stretches. Get your foam roller and comfortable clothes, and let's get started. Find the most comfortable position for your arms while you're on the foam roller. Some people are going to find that their shoulders are really tight, so they're not going to be able to touch the back of their hands on the floor. So just find a comfortable position. Make sure that the back of your head, your upper back, and your sacrum are touching the foam roller. Just get yourself comfortable. Your knees should be a little wider than your hips, your feet a little bit wider than your knees for optimal stability. And you want to breathe and relax as much as possible. With your arms out, I want you to gently rock your hips side to side. Feel your body weight distributing evenly across both of your feet and your hips, your shoulders, your arms. And feel the stretch in your pecs, your arms, and the front of your shoulders. If you feel a little bit of a nervy kind of a feeling, that is just the nerve stretching. Now gently turn your head side to side for additional benefits. Slowly and gently lengthen through the arms, the hands, and the fingertips. Continue to breathe deeply as you make micro corrections to your postural discrepancies. Begin to slide the elbows down as you continue to rock your body gently side to side. In a moment, bring the arm over your chest for a gentle upper back stretch. Gently hold your arm with the opposite arm and breathe deeply. Get ready to switch sides on the next inhalation. In a moment, we will be bringing each arm up over the head. Make sure the thumb is pointing toward the head and the hand is open and lengthened. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds and then switch sides. Maintain your 3-lock mountain throughout the movement. Make sure to move slowly and gently. Breathe deeply. If there is any pain during this movement, make sure to meet yourself where you're at and don't push it. Next, move your elbows down and bring the thumbs out to touch the floor. Hold and breathe. Re-engage the 3 locks as needed. Make any micro adjustments to your posture to attain bilateral equality. Move your hands back toward your body and shift your elbows up toward your head. Move the thumbs out to the floor. Hold and breathe, then bring your hands back to your body. And then shift the elbows, move the hands out, and then back. One more time, if you are able to shift the elbows up with the thumbs moving out. End with your arms back down to the most comfortable position in this sequence and gently turn your head side to side. Breathe, relax, take a minute or two to allow the micro corrections to to settle in before ending. Practice the wave of breath or postural breath work to optimize your postural corrections and enhance your overall wellness. Make sure to follow me on my other social media platforms. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.